Hello traders, I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. Today is the 9th of June, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel, and let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour this morning, even yesterday, you can see we had a consolidation. We haven't seen any big moves yesterday. Today we have this breakout, and as soon as the price hit here, we banked beautiful pips on EURUSD. All right, so let me share with you the intraday analysis. As you can see here, from yesterday we had this pullback, which most of the traders hold it long until today. And the reason why, if you look at here, this is the pullback long yesterday, and as long as the momentum is bullish, the price was above the 200 EMA. And look at here, the price keep respecting the support level. That's most of the traders keep holding it. And today I also updated that analysis instantly at the London morning session. You can see here another breakout trade, consolidation breakout. More likely we were expecting a long trade here. As you can see here, in 4-hour the price broken this triangle pattern, which is an intraday. We have this breakout. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour and the resistance level, that's the time we explain to trader it's time to bank some profit, and let's see the price reaction. And as soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. Most of the traders had an amazing trade, banked beautiful pip on the EURUSD. So right now you can see here, let's do a little bit analysis here. You can see here right now the price, if you look at this candle right now, is bearish engulfing candle. We have very beautiful rejection. Yesterday we're looking this breakout. We already had this breakout. Let's say if the price is going to break this level, which you can see here, previously price respected many times, and if the price gonna break, we're gonna be keep taking a pullback short trade here. And if you look at the bigger picture, you can see here downside channel pattern. And as I said to you guys, we are intraday. If the price respect long here, break, short trade here, we're gonna be looking here tomorrow of this breakout. And if the price gonna break this level, we'll consider pullback long. If the price gonna break and break 200 MA, we're gonna keep taking a pullback short trade here. All right, so we'll let you know tomorrow about the EURUSD. Let's dig into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had an amazing trade, guys. We had a long trade, and afterwards we have this breakout short trade. So we had amazing trades, both long and short, and most of the traders still holding short, and the target would be 140.88, 140.822. This is the daily support level. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so this is the analysis we did at the Asian session. I explained to trader, look for this breakout, price developer consolidation. And if you look at the 4-hour, this was the consolidation, guys. So more likely we were expecting a breakout long based on the momentum. We had this breakout last night, and most of the traders taking a pullback long trade here. So as soon as the price hit to the previous level, hit to the Bollinger Band, hit to the previous level, and if you look at here, price respected many time here, and that's the very powerful resistance level. And that's what we explained to trader, take a short trade at this level, but we need a confirmation. That's what happened. You can see here price came back here. I did another analysis at the New York session. Look here, the price broken, and that's what we explained to trader is safest way to look for this pullback. That's going to give us the confirmation. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. We have very beautiful pullback short trade as explained to the analysis based on the hard time frame 4-hour price action. We have another breakout, and then I explained to trader, take another short trade if the price is going to break the previous low. We had a beautiful 2 short trade, pullback, and the breakout on pound dollar. So most of the traders bank amazing pips today. One of my traders bank around 222 pips, basically taking long and adding short trade, which is called a scaling trade. That's another way of trading which we train our trader. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. If we look at here, we had a beautiful long trade, and afterwards we had a beautiful short trade here when the price respected here. You can see it's such a beautiful. Yesterday we had this pullback breakout long. Today we were short as soon as the price respect this level, and just before the news we basically close all our trades here. That's BOC for the CAD, and afterwards you can see a very beautiful reversal. Right now you can see outside candle pattern, bullish engulfing candle pattern. Let's see tomorrow if the price is gonna break. Am I gonna hit this level? We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you today's analysis, how we did today. All right, so you can see from yesterday we had this channel breakout, price nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level yesterday, we announced it's time to bank some profit, because we know that there's a possibility price. And afterwards you can see here price keep respecting many times, and we look at in 4 hour, it does make sense. We have a major powerful resistance level, price respected many times in 4 hour, and expecting short trade here. But as I said to my trader, guys, we need a confirmation. That's what I did this analysis at the New York session. Just before the news, I explained to trader, look for this breakout, which is we are explaining to trader, this is powerful support level. If the price gonna break, take a short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level and the news was about to come, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we have this beautiful short trade, bank some profit, and afterwards this is the news reaction. As I said to you guys, we don't trade the news, we trade after the news reaction. So you can see here that's a news, because we're expecting a long, but as I said to you guys, we're looking at valid technical reasons. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to break this resistance, even in 4 hour, then long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break and develop sort of like you can see here, this is the pattern, price nicely respected previously many level. So we're gonna let the price break this pattern, and we're gonna be taking a pullbacks after this breakout. All right, guys, we'll let you know tomorrow. We had amazing trades, beautiful, most of them. Look at the euro Kiwi dollar. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout short trade, amazing trades, guys. We had a euro yen, beautiful long trade, beautiful. You can see here we have beautiful, most of the trades we had amazing trades. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis review. The most important thing is I would like to invite you to watch that analysis in the real time. That's the interesting part of it. That's what you're going to learn. So as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis in the real time, as well as helping struggling traders through the live intraday analysis, also giving extra support to the experienced trader through live intraday analysis. This is pure price action analysis, guys. So if you would like to know how I coach and train and help traders to get funded, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my professional trader. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.